Welcome, a Honeywell TurboForce High Velocity Air Circulator. And it's just great, just like totally great. It has an AC adapter and it looks like it's a protective cord, as you can see, kind of protects, and it said not to plug into a type of well, it has an overload protection fuse. A blown fuse indicates an overload or short circuit situation. If the fuse blows, unplug the product from the outlet. So what it's saying is not to plug in a power strip. That's what it's saying, to plug into its isolated unit. But back to the subject at hand, it's a Honeywell TurboForce fan, high velocity. And when I say TurboForce, I mean it really cools. It really works to cool down a place, and it's just a force. It's cool air, and even it tilts. You can see if you had it on a counter, this part tilts, so you can tilt it up to get the air blowing up. And that's how it works. It's just great. And I'm going to plug it in at this time to show you an example of the force and the speed here. Yeah, so there it is. I mean, you can't feel it. I can see if I can put something there. Well, I can put that there, the actual leaflet, and you see it blows up there. So it's powerful even on a low setting. And it has about 3 settings here. I will show you. And yeah, the back here, just so ease. It's just like a seamless ease of use. When you first turn it on, it's on that's a low. Well, that's actually, it's low all the way around there. When you first turn it on, it's a high. It blows really fast. See, it just really like totally fast. And then you can adjust it to your satisfaction. Goes from high, another one, and then, I think it's, let me just check again. It goes from very high when it first comes on, a medium, and then a low. So it's 3 settings there. So just to put it back on a high to show you how that it's really, and like I said, you can turn it up, tilt it up, and it kind of circulates the entire room like feet away. So it's just so perfect. And it says do not hang or mount, do not operate if the fan is housing removed or damaged. And all that is for energy savings all year. Honeywell air circulator fans may help you save energy and make lower monthly utility bills all year round. Our air circulation increases distribution of cooler air from your air conditioner or warmer air from your heating system, creating a vortex of airflow for increased comfort. Increased airflow allows the air conditioning and heating system to be used at lower settings to help save you money. So I'm sure some people do read through the fine print as to it can help on the central air bill or the central utility bill like that. And it's just really in summer, winter, even in the winter, who does not need like a cool fan or just to cool them down? It's not always good to be hot and stuffy. But once again, it's the TurboForce High Velocity Air Circulator. And thanks for watching.
Alright, so we got this Honeywell fan off Amazon. TurboForce to see, back up a little bit. See how good it works. Brought it up here in the RV, so we have a fan in the RV. It's supposed to be a really strong fan. We'll see how good it is.
Oh, it's package decent.
Yeah, it's packaged decent. Let's plug it in right over here so we can see how strong it is. Need a fan for the bedroom. So that's low. That's pretty decent for real. A good desk fan or a fan next to your bed.
Actually, you can
$20 current price on Amazon.
These fans are definitely losing their strength as far as fan power. I don't know if they're just making them cheaper. I bought these originally and I loved it, and unfortunately it died on me, and I bought another one that's right there and it died on me within I'm gonna say 4 months. This is the highest level, and look, the wind power is not that strong for turbo. For them to promote its turbo, it's the second one. And lastly, the smallest one. I don't know, that gives you a reference of how strong it is. But from low to high, this is not turbo. It's not as strong as it used to be. Just keep that in mind. And you might have to replace them every 4 to 6 months. I use this fan every day for a good few hours a day. So, you know, I've gone through these and I've tested these. So it's like my third one.
Hi.
Hello.
Columbus Circle.
Columbus Circle it is. You are in the Cash Cab. It's a game show that takes place right here in this taxi.
What?
It's a TV game show.
Get out.
No, I wouldn't lie to you.
Well, I'm not taking my clothes off.
Okay. What do you say? Do you want to play?
All right.
All right, let's take a ride. What's your name?
Kelly.
Kelly, welcome to the Cash Cab. Let's win you some cash dollars.
Excelente.
These first questions are worth $25 each.
It's a very quiet fan on high. It does do about 25 feet. It's not that powerful. I've seen ones that were more powerful, but it is very quiet, and it will do the job. And for what I paid for it, yeah, I guess it'll work. We'll see how long it lasts, though. So there it is, the Honeywell.
What does WWJD stand
Bang.
for?
WW.
I am happy with my purchase. This thing has different speeds. This is the highest one, and then this is the middle, and this is the slowest one. Also has different positions. You can place this way, this way. It's really good. I like it. I totally recommend it.
So this is the fan. It doesn't come with like a remote or anything, but it's actually kind of pretty big, and it comes with 3 modes, and the most, like, it's pretty effective. I can feel it from like at least 15 feet away. So, yeah.
It's kind of loud, not quite as quiet as I was hoping for.
Man, what am I doing video? Badass.
She do?
Yep, when that be trying